Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel in Canva question and answer. And today I will answer a question in Canva design community group, how to fill a circle frame with color and transparent headshot. So now let's go to Canva and then type here circle and go to frame and add this one and then click this color button and I will fill it with this gradient and then go to element and just type, I will type headshot. I will choose this woman, remove the background, and then select the circle frame and duplicate it. Place the duplicate right on the origin, and then insert this transparent headshot to the second circle frame. Now adjust it, double click, increase the size, and slide to the center. Alright, now you have it, and don't forget you can also add a border here and change the border color and change the type of the border. Alright, so this is the tutorial. I hope it helps you. See you next video and have fun with Canva.